See how high we can go.
Oh, shit.
Might be totally locked. We'll wait a sec. Okay, we're going somewhere. It's the Ritz Carlton Water Tower Place. Maybe it's just parking. Well, we can go to 11, I guess.
That's kind of funny.
They're actually pretty small. Smaller than I expected them to be. Otis. Yeah, on this floor, these elevators originally did not serve 11, but they extended the shafts on these when they modded them. Let's give it a second or two. Here we go.
We're back at 16.
Yeah, I guess it just parks here. Give it another second to see if it goes anywhere again. Back down to 11 again, I guess. That's where the old indicator used to be.
It's definitely a bummer they got modded. I mean, at least the cab looks like it's partially original.
No, the cab was totally replaced.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Still does kind of look a little bit retro in a way.
See if it goes anywhere again. It's gonna park at 16, just watch. Oh, we went up a little higher. 18? Lobby?
Yes.
And here we are. All right. And there it goes. That'll be it.